Hey everyone, this is Daniel. This is my Gecko video update blog for August the 26th, 2009. Obviously, you know what I'm going to start off saying. There's a new optimized CMonkey 2.0 pre-beta 2 build available for download. This is the chain sets used for that build. To be honest, I did not expect to put a build out today. I expected to do that on Friday, but due to issues beyond my control, but in a good way, Friday's builds will not happen. So the next builds will come on September the 2nd, when the code freeze occurs. And from what I'm gathering, it's going to be a very quick code freeze. That way Thunderbird can have their code freeze and get their release out. So in theory, there's probably only going to be one candidate build for CMonkey 2.0 Beta 2. If that's the case, what I'm going to do is when I make that build on September the 2nd, I will make the build, go ahead and put it in the Releases 191 folder. But instead of it saying CMonkey 20B2 Djeter, it'll have CMonkey 20B2 Build 1 Djeter. That Build 1 in the name will represent which build candidate is used. If Build 1 happens to be the actual Beta 2 build, then I will go back and rename that file to get rid of the Build 1 part, and then I'll put a video and update a post and say, if you're running Build 1 candidate, then you are running CMonkey 2.0 Beta 2 Final. Obviously, if more candidate builds are needed, I'll delete the previous build candidate, put the new build candidate in, rinse and repeat until the final Beta 2 has been reached. Also, very fast, I want to pop up a website. It's wiki.mozilla.org/firefox/roadmap. Now, for those who listen to my Gecko related blogs, obviously, you know, sometimes I talk about Firefox, because obviously Gecko is Gecko, and sometimes I throw Firefox into the situation because sometimes I make optimized CMonkey builds based from release code of a version of Firefox. Lately I haven't been doing that because, well, hey, I've just been plain busy. But anyway, if you go to that page, I'm going to pop up an annotation describing what it is. It is a draft, obviously, meaning a lot of things will probably change in that 16-month period that it covers, being August 2009 through December 2010. Basically, what this roadmap says is that Mozilla 191, obviously, is used for Firefox 3.5. The Mozilla 192 branch will be used to create Mozilla Firefox 3.6 and Finit 1.0. The Mozilla 193 branch, which doesn't exist yet but will not very long from now, will be used to make Firefox 3.7 and Finit 1.1. And even further out, there's even yet another branch, Mozilla 194. That one's going to be scratching my head a little bit because it says it's going to be used to create Mozilla Firefox 4.0 and Finit 2.0. I don't know why there would be such a big version jump from 193 to 194 other than the stuff that I read in this draft. But whatever floats their boat. If you want to take it into SeaMonkey terms, these are just purely guesses. Obviously we know Mozilla 191 branch is going to be for SeaMonkey 2.0. In theory, this is what I am led to believe at this point. The Mozilla 192 branch would be used for SeaMonkey 2.1. The Mozilla 193 branch would be used for SeaMonkey 2.2. Or it could be used to make SeaMonkey 2.5. That's not out of the realm of possibility. And the Mozilla 194 branch, given that it's going to probably be built for Firefox 4.0, it will probably be SeaMonkey 3.0. But all of those are just estimates at this point. It's just a draft. It's not final in any means. A lot of things will change. Branch dates may change. The branches themselves may change. Some branches may not happen. Some things that are in the draft may be pushed back, brought forward, taken out completely. Anything. After all, it covers a 16-month period. So, many things can happen between now and the end of 2010, obviously. But, yeah, anyway, even though it's a non-Gecko related update, I've got to mention this. The reason I cannot get a SeaMonkey build out on Friday. My niece Julie has to do an interview with somebody, with an older person, like 60 or above. That would be my dad, her grandpa. So, they're going to have to use this room, this computer, this webcam to do the video on, because this camera, webcam, has the best picture quality out of everything in the house. And so, I am going to be helping her with this project as far, I guess, as you can say, being the technical producer and helping with editing. And basically the only editing I believe that'll be done is adding credits and music, because she wants to add music in the beginning and the end, obviously, just like a movie, a real movie. So, like my video blogs in a way. But yeah, there's going to be quite a few of these projects that will be going on. So, as a matter of fact, I may actually, if it turns out pretty good, I may actually put what me and Julie work on up, just so you can see some of what, you know, just see things, just well, you'll see what I'm talking about. I think it'll be pretty interesting. It'll be something new for you to see that you haven't seen before. But anyway, that's pretty much all I have for right now. I'll probably have another video blog tomorrow if we don't start the project tomorrow, which I figure we may end up doing. But anyway, with all that being said, I am Daniel G. And I will see you next time.